Happy Tuesday, everyone. It is sunny here in Alberta, Canada. Imagine today's already second day of 2024, the first day gone. So if you're still in a vacation mode, enjoying it, if you still spend lots of time with your family, enjoying it, cherishing it, because time really flies. And I just like to, ask a question. What's your, New Year 2024's resolutions? I know lots of people are making, plans for the new year. Either, want to have more time for your family, your kids. If you want to have, more finance abundance, or if you want to travel more, if you want to, have a better health, whatever your resolution is, we need to put that into action, right? To start today. And for the past year, I've learned so much from this online business. And I come out of that comfort of, being procrastination, right? Like I always put things, for tomorrow, do it tomorrow, do it tomorrow. Excuse me. And came to the point that there are problems, like my health was not good. I was mentally stressed. There is so much things going on once we put things propose the things that we're supposed to do right away, and we always wait till tomorrow, and tomorrow there's always tomorrow, right? But the thing is, the things that won't be done. So for this year, I trying to get rid of that, the bad habit, and the plan things, and I write on my calendar book. So every day I have note on my book what I need to do every single day, and just check, right? So today is the first day of this year's free workshop for this online business. And we've been talking about this business for quite a bit of time. And if you're still thinking about it, I think it's better to put into action. There's so much things going on, not just around our societies, around the world, and the time don't wait for us. And you can never find a perfect time to do something, to start something, because we're never ready for the things that we want to do, even though we're scared. But it's okay. Just gather whatever you have and then start from there. I learned that from so many, successful entrepreneurs, and they didn't start when they were successful already. They all, walk through the process and become successful, even though they didn't have lots of resources, even though they didn't have that much of a knowledge, and even though they didn't have that much of experience, they start anyway. And then they will, learn from their journey, and to get more resources, get more help, get more experience, and then that's how they get successful. So same thing when you want to do this online business, right? Doesn't matter if you had experience, you have the knowledge, because we do provide the training and the mentorship and the support. Whatever you need, it's all in place. The system's there, tools there, the training's there. All you need is just your effort to put in to, if you want to do it, and if you want, achieve your goals, or, achieve your dreams. So that's how it works, right? We don't really need to be ready, because we're never ready. And then we don't want to wait until, wait for another year and we're still in the same, we're just, step on the same spot every year, and that's not good. And just for my own experience, because since I met this accountability group that in this online business, I've grown so much. We learn from each other, and that's the thing. You don't have to do it on your own, and there's always support. You can find your own tribe to work together and move forward together, right? So If you're still searching online, if you want to earn some extra online, doesn't matter if you want to do it full-time or part-time, either way, even you just want to do a little bit every day, and that's fine too, and it works too, right? The flexibility is it's amazing because I do it when I'm here at home. When my kids, they're out hanging out with their friends today, I just drop my older one in the mall. They're hanging out in the mall, and back here I'm working on my business. And later on, if I want to go grocery shopping, go run errands, I can work on my phone as well. So the flexibility is amazing, and all you need to do just to check it out. There's no obligations to buy anything, and we do offer a complimentary workshop today just to explain the basic about this online business, and how you can start and how you can work around your own schedule. All you need to do is just register your name and email in the website. And the live complimentary workshop start at 6 p.m. Mountain Time or 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can check it out. It's about 90 minutes to your time, but you learn something online, right? Because the world, it's trending. Everything's online. Like you've done online shopping, you've done lots of online courses, even online classes, right? Lots of things online. Why not earn when you spend, right? So there's lots of opportunity, and today I'm just sharing with you this online business opportunity that you can start. There's a 30-day money-back trial, so there's no risks, and you can check it out for the 30 days. If it works for you, that's wonderful, and if it doesn't, then your life move on, right? And you don't have to, you get your money back guaranteed, and there's no risks at all. So all you need to do is just register your name and email in the website, and you get to watch this complimentary workshop. And at the same time, you can ask questions because it's live, right? So yeah, that's all for today. And I hope you enjoy your second day of the new year 2024. Doesn't matter what you do. It's better to either, to do something benefit for today, for tomorrow, for your new future, right? So, and we grow, and we will make better life, right? So that's the goal. Have a great day, everybody.